Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your EARFUN Free Pro 3. Firstly, I recommend it to put your earbud to the charging case and close the case, charge your earbud. So maybe you have it discharged, but if you know that it's not discharged, the next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put both your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. We can check it if you go to the Bluetooth. As you can see, no connection. After that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. Then check, is it fix your problem? So did we have connection? No? Yeah, sometimes it happened with the earbuds that we need to tap at the device list on them. It's rarely, but still it happened. Okay, next step is to perform, as I said, factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put also both your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Open the lid, and right here inside the case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until you will see the LED light blinking purple. So firstly start blinking blue, it's okay, just keep holding this button. Okay, we have purple, so we can release the finger, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to just go back and return to the Bluetooth or just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earphones here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!